You look like Leonardo DiCaprio, you know? What you're doing?
Looking for girl.
Hi everyone! I'm Genelyn Sandaga at ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magtatanong ulit tayo sa Omegle kung ano yung ipipainting natin ngayon, part 2. Super excited ako sa i-announce ko kasi meron na tayong merchandise. Oh my god! Ito yung Crying Lily Hard Enamel Pins. Ang size nito ay 1.25 inches. Nakalagay na siya dito sa cute na black box. Ang ganda at ang elegant niyang tignan. And super natuwa talaga ako kasi gantong-ganto yung nai-imagine ko na ipoproduce na enamel pins. As in, ang cute-cute talaga. At mabibili niyo ng 199 pesos only. Yes, 199 pesos hard enamel pins na to I-message nyo lang ako sa FB page natin na Genelyn Sandaga. Ililink ko down below. Ilagay nyo doon yung name, address, at contact number. Kung ako sa inyo, ipopost ko tong video at o-order na ako kasi limited stocks lang to. Kaya paunahan na lang. Again, for only 199 pesos, mabibili mo na ang ating merchandise na Crying Lily Hard Enamel Pins. Kaya bilhin mo na ngayon na. So yun lang, magtanong na tayo sa Omegle. Hello!
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Akshay.
Okshen? Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, India. What are you doing?
I am now sleeping.
Sleeping. Are you sure you're
trying to
sleeping?
sleep.
Or you're
I'm
trying
trying
to
to
sleep? Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Do you know ASMR?
LSR?
You don't know. Never mind. Can I ask you something?
elaborate LSR? Can you elaborate it?
Come
Can you
again?
elaborate it about this?
I can't
Can you
understand.
elaborate it?
Can you suggest the skin color of the character that I'm going to paint?
Can you repeat?
You will choose from A, B, C. A is light, B is medium, and C is dark.
Like A.
A, light skin tone.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, ang pinili niya ay light skin tone. Hello! You look like Leonardo DiCaprio, you know?
Everybody's
So,
been saying
yes!
that.
What's your name?
I'm Rex.
Can I ask you something? Because I'm going to paint. And what is the color of the eyes? Can you
My
suggest?
eyes, hazel,
No. Can you
Hazel.
suggest a color of the eyes that I'm going to paint?
like green.
Green. And the lips?
The lips?
Yes.
Hmm.
It can
Not
be
too bright.
anything. Be crazy about it.
Maybe kind of a pinkish.
A pinkish.
Almost.
Okay. That's all. So, okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.
I think mga batang Leonardo DiCaprio. Tama ba? DiCaprio ba? Mali pala yung Leonardo DiCaprio. Ang tama pala ay Leonardo DiCaprio. Hello! What's your name? Do you have a microphone? Okay. But can you see me? You have a microphone. I can hear myself. Nag-disconnect. Hello!
Hello.
I'm really fine. How about you?
Ama.
Where are you from? Where are you going?
Current ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Is that your mom? What's that?
Yes.
Hi to your mom. Can you show me? Oh my god. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, tell me.
I'm going to paint. Can you suggest the length of the hair? Is it long? Short?
I'm not understand.
You don't understand. Can you suggest the length of the hair that I'm going to paint? Is it short or long hair? What do you prefer?
Long.
Long hair.
Good.
Okay. And what is the color of the hair? Oh my god, keeps falling. What's the color of the hair?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. And the type?
Curly.
Curly. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Kurt. Bye.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Shiza.
Shiza? Okay. Where are you from?
Italy. You?
Italy. I'm from the Philippines. Can you suggest a background? What's the theme? Something like this. In the background is galaxy.
Maybe numbers like Matrix.
Matrix, like the action film?
Yes?
Matrix. Okay, that's new and nice. Matrix. I think the actor is Keanu Reeves,
Can
right?
you read?
Why Matrix? Are you fan of Matrix?
No, but I like the numbers, the characters that fall down.
The numbers eklavu. What you're doing?
Looking for girl.
What if I'm not a girl?
I don't know.
Do you think I'm a girl?
Yeah, a girl. You are a girl, of course.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes.
I'm just kidding. Uy, babae ako O mamaya may something comment na transgender eklavu na dyan Huwag niyong patulan. Hello, what's your name? Sven from, I think, Sven in a movie called The Cartoon. You know that? The Frozen. Where are you from, Sven? Okay, from Germany. Sven, I have a question because I'm going to paint something like this. Can you see it? So, can you give me an emotion of the character? Emotion like fear, sad, happy, something like that. Angry. Okay, that's a good one. So, I think meron na tayong mga pwede nating ipang-base sa painting natin. Yung skin color ay light. Yung eye is green, yung lips ay pinkish, and yung hair ay long. Yung color ay brown, and type ay curly, background ay matrix. And yung emotion ay angry. So, let's start the painting. At bago ako magpatuloy, alam nyo na gagawin nyo, diba? Kindly like this video to support this channel. At kung bago ka pa lang dito, subscribe ka na at tap mo na rin yung bell to get notified. And to be honest, hindi ko pa napapanood yung Matrix. At bago ko to gawin, bago ako nag-conceptualize, ay pinanood ko muna para magkaroon nga ako ng idea. Alam ko yung mga green, yung mga numbers. Kasi nga nakikita ko nga, wait nga lang, ang gulo ko. Napanood ko yung Matrix, yung mga Tagalize, kaso hindi full. Siguro, habang kumakain ako, tapos yung pinapalabas sa TV, yung mga Tagalog, and then pagkatapos kong kumain yun, hindi ko na tinatapos, kaya hindi ko alam yung story ng Matrix. Kaya, ayun, pinanood ko siya para nga maintindihan ko. And nung pinanood ko, maganda naman. Yung Matrix, ito yung parang virtual world na ginawa. Tapos, mayroong reality which is yung wasteland. Based lang to sa pagkakaintindi ko Tatlo yung nga yata to, hindi ko pa napapanood. Mamaya-maya, panoorin ko. Ang haba kasi 2 hours. And for me, nagandahan naman ako. Kahit nung effects niya na 1999 yata, okay naman sa akin. And dito pa, ang naloka pa ako kasi hindi pa yata ako nakakapag-painting na angry yung mata, yung emotion. Kasi ang karaniwan na pinipaint ko ay more on poker face, sad face, neutral face, ganyan. At yung pinipainting ko to, parang nahahawa ako sa emotion. Kinukulubot ko din yung mata ko na angry. Diba nga yung sinasabi nila na yung artist ay kung ano yung nafe-feel nila, inilalabas nila through painting. Pero siguro hindi ako yung nahawa. Siguro inilalabas ko yung mga naipong galit sa loob. Parang ganon. Ang cheesy lang. And dito naman tayo sa mga tips na i-share ko sa art block. Kapag na-art block kayo, di ba nga hindi tayo nakagawa ng artwork kasi wala tayong maisip or hindi tayo motivated. Ang maipapayo ko, if you need that break, stop ka muna kasi maybe nade-drain ka pa, kailangan mo ng pahinga, di ba? Ayun nga, dahil sa lagi mong ginagawa, nagiging routine mo na siya, we need ng other things. Ako ang ginagawa ko before nung nakakalabas pa tayo. Nagta-travel ako para ma-reset yung body ko and then yung mind ko. Parang mahiwalay muna sa ginagawa ko usually. And actually, ginagawa ko talaga yung mga question na ganito, like kung ano yung color ng hair, yung eyes, yung lips, yung position, yung theme. Tapos, dun na ako nagko-conceptualize, dun na ako nag-i-start mag-sketch, yung sa mga color, tsaka ko unti-unti. Sa maliit na ideas mo, yung papalakihin natin yon. So, yan, pwede nyo naman gawin to, na yung mga question nyo ay pupunan nyo rin. Like kung anong hair, yung favorite nyo, or yung may nakita kayong favorite na maganda, pwede nyo ilagay doon and then pagsama-samahin nyo. Yun yung sinasabi na wala nang original. Kasi halos lahat ng bagay, parang nagawa na. Parang kinukuha mo na lang yung mga pinaka-maganda, yung preference mo, yung nagustuhan mo, and then you make it uniquely yours. At kung gusto nyo pa ng part 3, just comment down below at maybe comment kayo ng mga twists na kung ano yung pwede natin gawin dito, something, eklavung ganyan. Kindly like my Facebook page, follow nyo ako sa Instagram at Twitter para stay connected tayo. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!